Hello! In this video, we're going to learn how to create AndYou channels. Creating a web-based AndYou channel is a very easy process. As usual, we are first going to register as a user. Once we are in, we are already going to have all the different options available to manage our channels. We are going to select the Create a New Channel option. The first step will be to choose the name for our channel. At the very moment we enter the name of the channel, it will check its availability. Now we've created it. As we know, each channel is made of 8 taps. Because the channel is new, these taps still don't have any content. The creation or editing of tabs is done with 4 very intuitive steps. Let's take a look at them. We choose the tab that we want to create or edit from our display window and click on it. This is going to expand the options. Alongside each option, we are going to have the Help key available, which is going to describe the usefulness of each field step by step. The first field is going to ask what kind of tab it is, its category. What do I want to show on this tab? For this example, I want to show an Android Market tab. Now we have completed the first field. The second field is going to ask us of the task of the tab. Very well. The task is the information we want this tab to contain. Because the tab is of the Market variety, under Task, we will be able to indicate either a search thread or an Android Market web link to a specific app. If we choose a search thread, when a user clicks on this tab, he or she is going to access Android Market with the results from this search. If we type the URL of a specific app in the Task field, when the user clicks on the tab, he or she will access the market, but directly to the app. This concept is applicable to all tab categories. For example, if the tab is of the Location variety, the task will be an address or place to be displayed in Google Maps. If it happened to be a YouTube tab, the task would be a URL for the video on our tab. It's the same process for each category. All these possibilities are always available at the Help icon in the field Start Task. Now we have completed the second field. The third text box is going to ask us for the text that we want the user to see when he or she clicks on the tab. Therefore, we simply type this text. And we come to the last field. In the field Assign an image to your tab, we are going to choose the image for our tab. We can choose from many options. Upload an image from our hard drive, choose one of the many pictures from the AndYou public gallery, AndYou Pics, leave the default image for every kind of tab, or use a still frame from a YouTube video. Having done this, we will have created our first tab. There are more options available, such as changing the order of our tabs by simply dragging them, by just clicking on them with the right click button, sending them to history, editing, erasing, etc. With this knowledge base, now you can start creating your channels. From now on, we hope to see your display windows soon. Thank you. See you later.